So a collision with purpose came about, and it really, because I've experienced so many individuals who are somewhat lost,
Mm-hmm.
somewhat lost. I went to bed one night and I woke up the next day. I need to do something on purpose.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I woke up and that's it. It happened. I just woke up with the idea in my head that I need to commit some of my time
Mm-hmm.
to helping others better understand their why.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. That's how I woke up with that, and I had conversation with my daughters about what should we call it, and that a collision just pop up with the
Mm-hmm.
purpose. We believe at some point you're going to have to, you're on course.
Mm-hmm.
Whether you want or not, you're going to have to be confronted by your purpose.
Yeah.
You may not even know it.
Mm-hmm. That's true.
The key is to find out what it is, so then
Mm-hmm.
you become intentional about it.
Yeah.
So that's pretty much it. And so I started that. I started asking individuals to send me a short 1.5-minute video saying what they think about purpose. What is purpose?
Mm-hmm.
I received about 30 of those. Some I posted. And then I always knew I was going to be doing the interview. Then I transitioned into doing these interviews, and I've done quite a few of them.
Okay. Okay.
Interviews, quite a few. In fact, a lot. I've done many interviews, and now I'm getting calls from all over the world.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's cool.
Yeah, and I think because I'm interviewing you,
Mm-hmm.
interviewing the other person down the road. I'm
Mm-hmm.
interviewing regular everyday people.
Okay.
So regular everyday people. Your conversation will resonate with regular everyday people because they don't believe it's some far-fetched
Mm-hmm.
visionary thing, purpose, but
Mm-hmm.
it's your life.
Yeah.
You will,
Sure.
and they will identify with you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, and then I intend to write a couple of books
Mm-hmm.
based on this experience, based
Mm-hmm.
on what emerged from it. I'm not going to make it up. Whatever emerged from our conversation,
Mm-hmm.
whatever. So I'm looking at the themes, right? So once I have about 3 themes coming out of it, then I will write about those as the topic.
Yeah. I remember you're writing a book, or you're in the midst of wanting to write a book, right?
Hmm?
You're in the midst of wanting to write a book or writing a book,
I
or
am gonna, from this whole
yeah, I remember. That's actually okay.
writing of a book.
I
So
would definitely look forward to reading that. Probably
and
gonna be very
I
interesting.
will I won't necessarily utilize using names unless someone don't mind.
I don't mind. I don't mind.
The story, but I will get permission. I'll ask permission to use
Mm-hmm.
names and if
Mm-hmm.
that you mind. So I think we have a story to tell,
Yeah.
story that others will want to hear.
Mm-hmm. No, I believe that everybody has their own story. Everybody's life is their own story, right? And there's so many people in the world, right? Everybody may have a different, storyline, but there's certain storylines that may resonate with another individual, right? And it's just that, you know, just knowing that, let's say somebody else may be in a similar position as who I used to be. If they hear my words, it could be very helpful for them, right?
Absolutely.
Mm.
And if I was going to write about my purpose, I
Mhm. Why?
because I don't think it would resonate as much as if I now do the research and write about the purpose of 60 individuals and
Mhm.
whatever is common and write about that, then I think that is more valid.
I think you should write about your purpose, if anything, towards like the end of it.
Oh yeah, I will be in. I
Mhm.
will be into. My conversation will be in there as well, but it wouldn't.
Mhm.
Be, I wouldn't write a single story about me.
Mhm. Okay. Okay.
That's what I'm saying. But
Mhm. Yeah.
I will be sitting in interviews as well.
Mm.
You will get to
Okay.
hear my interview.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
The same questions or more will be asked of me.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, and so one of the chapter in the book will be about my story.
Okay, I plan on reading that. I actually want.
And
Do you have any?
you will
Do you have
hear
any?
it.
Do you have any idea when you may be releasing
I
it?
expect that it will happen in August.